Hi everyone, welcome to Dorm Room Cooking. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be cooking up some beautiful fresh sole ceviche. Ceviche is a classic Latin American dish, and all it is consisting of fish that's been cooked in some lemon and lime juice, chilies, coriander, avocado, and a little bit of olive oil. So we're going to start by juicing one lemon. And we're going to juice a few limes along with that. So this citrus is going to be used as our base to cook our fish. We're also going to be taking one large red onion, and we're just going to dice it up. This is going to add a nice bite of freshness and a little bit of bitterness. We're also going to be taking avocados. We're going to take out the pit using our knife. We're going to use a spoon to just scoop around the skin. And then we're going to slice our avocado. We're also going to take a couple bird's eye chilies, and we're going to slice them on a bias. This is just going to add a bit of heat. We're also going to take one bunch of cilantro, and we're going to chop it up nice and fine. This is going to add a great herby freshness to this dish. So we have everything prepped. We have our fresh cilantro, we have our red onions, our bird's eye chilies, and our fresh avocado. So now we're going to go to the fish. Today we'll be using some sole, and we're just going to look for the pin bones down the center of the fillet and just take them out real quick. We're going to dice up our fish, we're going to add it to our citrus, season it with some salt, give it a good stir, and then we're going to incorporate all of our ingredients that we've cut. We're going to get our tortilla chips ready to go. We're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over that ceviche, and there you have it. Fresh, bright Dover ceviche, citrusy, bright, and fresh with just a bit of richness from that avocado. Such an amazing dish. If you like this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any recipes that you would like to see, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.